Welcome back, smart mathematicians. In the diagram, the circle centered at N passes through A and C. B, C, D, and E are joined to form a parallelogram such that BE is parallel to the x-axis. CD is a tangent to the circle at C, and CD is equal to 6 units. Calculate the coordinates of D. Remember, we managed to find the coordinates of C in the previous question. We said that C is the coordinates of C are what? -1 and 7. Okay? Right. And then BE is parallel to the x-axis. And CD is parallel to BE since BCDE is a parallelogram. So it means that CD is horizontal. CD, BE, they are horizontal because both of them are parallel to the x-axis. So now, if you check the coordinates of D here, what will change here? It is the x coordinate that is going to change, but the y coordinate will not change. So D, we say the x coordinate will change from -1. And then you say -1 plus 6, what is it? It will change from -1 to 5. But does the y coordinate change? No, it doesn't change. It is still 7. You see that? Okay, so the coordinates of D there, the x coordinate of D is 5, the y coordinate is what? Is 7, because these are what? Horizontal line. The y coordinates are just the same. Okay, remember when you checked for the, what do you call this? The vertical line, the x coordinates are the same. But for horizontal line, the y coordinates are what? Are the same. Okay, so the coordinates of D there will be 5. For the x coordinate is 5, the y coordinate is 7. Okay, right, so we can say D, therefore D is 5, 7.